Good morning, Dr. Pierce.
Hey, Donnie.
Okay, I have another question for you.
Okay.
So people that are kind of fearful in starting chiropractic care, one of the reasons is they want to know if they have to go forever after they start,
Right.
as if their body becomes dependent on chiropractic care.
Gotcha. Yeah, I've heard that many times over the years. Number one is, let's talk about the dependence part of it. Like, we're going to do something to your body that's going to make you require chiropractic care. Total myth. And the analogy I like to use is exercise. Let's say you went down to the gym and you worked out 3 times a week for, let's say, 3 months. How would you feel after that 3 months? Would you feel better or worse?
I'd feel better.
Fantastic, right? You'd have high energy, you'd be strong, you'd be flexible. Let's say at that point you stopped working out. Would you feel terrible like the next day?
No.
Next week?
No.
But what would happen over time, over the next 6 months, let's say?
I'd slowly get back to where I began.
Exactly. Now, is there anything about exercise that makes your body addicted to it?
No, I don't think so.
No, it's just when you're feeling really good, wouldn't you like to keep that good feeling?
Yeah, sure.
Absolutely. That's why people keep exercising. It's because they know if they stop exercising, they're going to lose that good feeling, that health and that vitality that they have. Well, think of chiropractic the same way. When you're getting adjusted and your spine is working at 100%, your nervous system's working 100%, all the systems of your body are working better. So how do you feel?
Better.
That's right, you feel good. And it's that good feeling that's addicting, not the chiropractic care. So when people start letting their body, break down again, they start getting out of adjustment, they start getting irritation in their nervous system, then they start to feel it and they go, oh man, by the time you feel it, by the way, damage is done. So you don't want to wait until you feel it. You don't want to wait until you're totally out of shape before you start exercising again, do you? No way. But if you just do an occasional adjustment, you can maintain that good feeling pretty easily there. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Now, the question is whether you have to go forever. The answer is absolutely. Once you come to our practice, you are on the life plan as long as you are alive. Actually, as long as we're both alive.
Okay.
And I'll tell you what, if you die first, I'll keep working on you for at least a few more days, okay? Make sure that you're permanently dead, not just mostly dead. Now, it's another myth. You do not have to go forever. You go for as long as you want to. Something I have learned in practice over 30 years is that people are going to do exactly what they want to do. Okay? So I've learned that it's probably a good idea for us to let them. We will support you if you want to come in once a year, once a month, or some patients I've been treating for over 20 years that come in twice a week to maintain optimum health. You see? And they don't do that because they're sick with low back pain. They know the difference. They can optimize their health, have a high quality of life, and maintain that is much better than waiting until you're broken down and trying to fix it. So you can come in as often or as little as you choose. And the last question I usually ask people that hit me with that question is, do you see a dentist?
Yeah.
Sure. When are you going to stop seeing your dentist?
Never.
Why?
Because my teeth need maintenance.
That's right. Exactly. So think of chiropractic like your dentist. It's a wellness type of therapy, not a fix-it type of therapy. Everybody tries to put chiropractic in the same model as medicine. Medicine is sickness care. It's when you break down, they try to fix you. Okay? And it's a good thing to have around. We need that crisis care out there, and they do a great job at it. But that's not chiropractic. Chiropractic is health care. It's wellness care. We want to get your body working as good as we can get it, and then keep it there until you're 120. That's our goal. And what we want to hear from every one of our clients when they come in, our goal is to hear them say, I have not felt this good in years. Answer the question?
It did. Thank you.
Excellent.